I think one of the biggest benefits that a person gets when they hire our firm is that they get experience, they get knowledge of the law, and they get compassion. The first thing that I want to make my clients aware of is that I want them to be informed. I want them to understand what's going on with the process and make sure that they understand why we're doing what we're doing. I want to know their personal story. I want to know how this has affected their life and how they, not only now, but what they think is going to happen in the future with this particular type of case. And I want you to know that we are not only going to represent you from a legal standpoint, but we're going to make sure that you have the day-to-day things that you need to assist you as you're, as you're going through this process.
One thing that I like to do is develop a good rapport and relationship with every client. Never treat them like they're a file or a number. And I think the key thing there is to open up the lines of communication, make them feel comfortable. I'm not just a lawyer that you bring me your file, and a year and a half from now, it'll be over and you don't know what's happened in between the start and the finish. I think that people ought to know what's going on the whole time.
The biggest thing you have to have with clients, and clients have to have with attorneys, is you have to trust each other. You have to be able to trust me, and I have to be able to trust you. And you have to trust me to do my job. And I'm going to do everything I can to get a good outcome for you.
I want to handle the case as if it were my own. If the accident happened to me, or if the accident happened to one of my family members, I often, when I'm considering what to do next, I not only evaluate it legally, but I also think of it from a practical standpoint. How would I like to handle that if it were for my family, or if it were for me?
We are people who genuinely care about what we're doing. We genuinely care about our clients. We've been to their houses, we've cried with them, we've worked hard for them to get them the very best result that we can under the circumstances that we're faced with. We bring empathy to the situation as well as expert work on our cases. We represent our clients with the understanding of what would I want if I was a client going through this. What kind of lawyer would I want? What would I expect from my lawyer? What kind of communication would I hope to get from them? And we try to bring that to the experience that our clients have with us.
The bottom line recovery is not the focus, not the emphasis, the client, what's actually happened to the client. We understand the personal impact that these type cases can have on the family, and we keep that in mind through all aspects of the case.